Hello guys, today I'm talking about the Amazon Prime Day. So this is 2 days, it lasts until July 13th. There are thousands of different deals on different products that you can go and have a look at. I'm going to keep this more tech related. I've been looking at different deals that are on to see which is the best sort of offers that you can go and get. This is a really good time to stock up on some items without getting carried away. I'm going to be going over the UK and US Amazon sites and looking at some of the top deals, but these are all currently available as well. So first, it's the PJY Tech One Mo camera backpack. This is my favorite backpack. I've been looking for a bag for so long now, and this is the answer. It can hold literally everything I need, and it's lightweight, perfect for traveling around. And it's also got straps on the front so I can hold my DJI FPV drone on the front of it, have clothes and different equipment inside of the bag. It's got a million zillion pockets all over it. It's fully waterproof, really highly made quality. It's fantastic. It's the best bag I've been looking for ages. So if I was only to recommend one bag to go and pick up, it would be this, and it's currently on offer. I've never seen it at this price before, so this bag is awesome. I also use this as well. This is the Beetle camera clip. This is great. It goes on the straps of this backpack. This allows you to mount a big mirrorless camera, or you could mount like an action camera as well, like a GoPro, onto your strap. So it's like a really good POV look. But if you've got a big camera like a Sony a7S III or a7 III, you can mount it onto the strap for quick, easy access when you're traveling around. So these just make it so convenient. Again, both of these are currently on offer. Never seen these prices. So let's move on now and look at DJI. So DJI are never going to have the hero products on offer on Amazon Prime because they've recently just come out, but they do have two fantastic deals. The first one is the DJI Action 2. This is the latest action camera by DJI, and it now comes with a protective case. Look at the price, $249. It's incredible. This is nearly half price, and this is an action camera now that's been updated recently with firmware, so there's no overheating issues anymore. It has a magnetic mount, so it clips onto either you or a car or anything really easily, and this is its biggest selling feature. Up to 4K 120 FPS. I've rebought this again because I'm just amazed. This is a fantastic, another action camera. I can never have enough. But $249, awesome deal. This is fantastic and currently in stock. Okay, the Mini 2, who remembers this guy? Look at this. The Mini 2, I've filmed and created so many videos with this drone. I still love this drone. $449 for the Fly More combo and DJI Care Refresh, all included as one. Again, an absolutely awesome price, especially getting the Care Refresh plan as well included, bundled in. Mini 2, 4K 30. It's a fantastic beginner drone. If you don't want to spend as much on the Mini 3, but you want a fantastic drone like this with all the capabilities of it, good quality, that you can take anywhere with you and traveling, this $449 is a fantastic price. I still use this drone. I've used this drone in hundreds of locations and was never disappointed with the quality of it. And I have checked, and both of these products, both the Action 2 and the Mini 2, are available on the US and the UK sites, currently available. So go and check these out. I'm sure these won't last for long, or they'll go out of stock pretty quick. These are fantastic deals. Also, for the Mini 3, not many Mini 3 accessories are on offer, but the propeller guards I really like. These are by Skyreet, and these are a few pounds extra off. So go and check these out. These are a really good accessory. And then memory cards. It's a great time to pick up memory cards, I find. I always go and buy more whenever there's an Amazon sale on. Make sure you get good memory cards. I use the SanDisk memory cards from a Mini 3, Mini 2, Mavic 3, and I use the extreme ones. They are currently on offer as well. $15.99 for 128 gigabytes. It should be $45.70. Fantastic deal. I've just gone and got another couple of these. I also do this 64 gigabyte for $11.99, but 128 gigabyte in your Mini 3 or your Mini 2 or your Mavic 3, that's going to be enough. A fantastic deal. Make sure you go and grab them. With regards to other DJI products, there isn't many others going through the list where there are like Prime Day deals. My most favorite drone, though, I'm going to be doing a video on soon because I've been practicing on this to actually make it worthy of a video, is the DJI FPV drone. I picked up this late, but I love it. It's the most fun, exciting drone you can go and pick up, and it's great that you can learn from literally beginner, complete noob level to actually go in practicing on simulators and then flying this for real. This is currently on offer, nearly about 28% off, $899. Fantastic. That's with the goggles and the controller, and it's the best fun you'll have. Apple products are never really discounted. There is a bit of a discount. The iPad Air, this is a really good iPad, $419. That's around about 19% off, so that's a good deal. They'll go out of stock really quick. And then the Apple Watches, around about 10% off them. As I say, Apple don't really do discounts a lot on Amazon, but the iPad Air, that's a really good iPad to pick up. So go and check out some of these offers. If I find any more, because sometimes I do put new ones on, I will update it through the community section. Go and check that out. But all of these products I'm going to mention today, they're all going to be in the description notes at the top. If you want to click on any, that really supports the channel. And also, just to get into the spirit of the Prime Day sales, my current DJI LUTs and presets, so the presets you can use for photos on Lightroom, and also my DJI Mini 2 and Air 2S LUTs, I'm going to be doing these as a sale for 50% off all of the products, everything on the website. All of them going to be 50% off. Just type in discount code PRIME, and for the next 2 days they're all going to be half price. So I hope you enjoy them. So thanks so much for watching this. Go and pick up some good little deals there. If I find any more, I'll update you, and have a great day. See you later.